Hey, this is Ken at Advantage Tutoring, and it's my job to get you past the licensing exams. Well, this time I'm going to try to help you cheat. No, I'm not going to help you cheat. I'm going to help you use GPT, Grok, whatever it is to help you get through this stuff. It will help a ton. Again, as a supplement, the main stuff is either STC or Achievable. Those are my best two in my eye. Then you have Kaplan and Notman and Past Perfect and all that. We are good with those. Those are all great. You should use them as your main. Like if you have Notman or Past Perfect or Achievable or Kaplan or STC, don't change and not use them. You should use them. But what I'm doing here is showing you how to use AI to help your studying, to help you along. And again, you have to be wary of it because they hallucinate. But we're going to show you a way to prevent it from hallucinating as much as possible. And I know hallucinating doesn't sound good out of my mouth because I mumble and I'm from the East Coast, so I talk like shit. But I'm going to help you get through this and let's get into that and see what we can do. I'm going to do this, but remember, you have to use it with intention and make sure that you're on the right track and know that there could be mistakes and you have to double check stuff. But it's a really fun way of not fun, it's not fun, but let's go into it. Let's get into this. So we all know what the content outline is, right? Here's the content outline. You look, it has the sections and stuff like that. But this is how I do this, okay? So first of all, you look here, you read this, blah, blah, blah. I don't care. But if you look, they have stuff. They tell you kind of what's on the exam, like topics. You can't really use it to study directly per se, but we're going to show you how to use this to help you. Again, it doesn't follow the books and you can use the books and stuff, but look, so see how there's dots and then there's rules. So all these dots and they have rule numbers. Ignore the rule numbers. If you want to do with them, fine, but I didn't go there. So I use the dots and I take very small sections to make sure that I don't get any crazy hallucinations. So everybody, I go like this. I take this. I just copy paste it, right? I mean, that's just dumb. We can all do that. Copy paste. Then I put it in ChatGPT or Grok or Perplexity. Perplexity is good, but they don't have any fun with it. So I can show you what it looks like. So then we have that. I'll put it in here. Control V, right? Not just V, Control V. Boom. Now I'm not done. You have to do this. The next part is you have to put this prompt in. This is the prompt you need to keep yourself good. So we go like this. We go there. Okay. Give me 25 questions, one at a time, ABCD format. Remember, this is important. Difficult but fair. They should really challenge if I understand the topic, but not be too tricky. They should be a mix of definitional and scenario based questions. Let me answer and then explain the right answer and why the other ones are wrong. I will pin this in the comments so you can grab it, or you can just ask me for it. Description, comments everywhere. Now what I do is I literally just, my dog's about to bark, I think, but I just do that and I hit enter. That's all it is. I don't want more than 25. See, there it is. There's the dog barking. Now, the other thing is, now on my internet slow, so it's going to be slow. So now, once you get to like 35 or 40 questions, if you do the next session, you might want to start a new chat. And actually, you can label them section one, right? You can say, I think you can label these things, right? So you can label these. You can name it. So you can say section one and do that and then work from there. And this way you know what you're dealing with. Okay. So now we do this one at a time. This is the best part. Which statement best describes the primary purpose of securities? Blah, 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 blah. I don't care. I'm not answering it. I'm gonna answer it, but I'm not gonna care about I'm just not even looking. Okay. Say. This is what I love. It'll take a little while because I have a lot of shit going on. A is clean, confident, but it's super. That's the one thing about ChatGPT. They're soft spoken. They treat you with kid gloves. Okay, you can change. You can say be mean. Okay, but you do this and say you go. Wait, I don't say now. We have another question, and let's say you get like three in a row right. Okay, so say you three in a row, boom, and you're gonna get them right. Okay, then you go okay, make them harder. So you can say I'll answer this one. I'm not even gonna try. We're going to say C, just, I'm not even looking at it. I don't care. Good, C is correct, blah, blah, blah. It tells you why it's right. It tells you why it's wrong. Make sure you read it. Remember, if you get something right, you must read you must read the rest of the stuff too. Okay. Let's go. So let's say I got it right. And I go, look, let's make it, let's say more wordy. Not tricky, but harder. That's what she said. Okay. And you just get it. Boom. They make it a little bit harder. See, I have a lot of stuff going on, so it's a little slow. So there it is. So that's how we do it with GPT. Super easy, super good. Not even, and then boom, they get wordy and wordy as you want. It does help. Again, don't focus on rule number specifics. It's much more about concepts. But then let's say I'm done with that section. I go to the next one. I go, okay, other regulators. Maybe you limit it to 10 questions. I do the same thing. Where is it? There it is. I'll say, do this. And once you get it, give me 10 questions, same rules, right? Just move right down the content outline. It's very easy to do. It's not so bad. Boom. Okay. That's with ChatGPT. Now I'm going to show you how it changes a little bit with Perplexity. Oh, look, if we do Gemini, watch. If I do Gemini, right? If I do Gemini, right? Same thing, right? So I can do Control V. Then I say, I got to take my prompt, the same prompt every time. You always want to use this, copy the same prompt somewhere and leave it. Okay. Boom. We put it there and let's see how it does. I actually haven't done Gemini yet. Good. Boom. Same thing. Let's see what it does. So we'll say, see, they have nice hard questions, numbers and numbers, right? Okay. So it's good. I like it. So I'm going to say B just for the hell of it. Boom. So here we go. So literally it does the same thing. And then we're on to the next question. Too easy. Now I'm going to try Perplexity, which is just this right here. I use their browser. So I'm going to say, they're that. And then I'm going to say, I make sure I do this. Same thing every time, just boom, regulators. See, this is where it does where it's a little different, but it's not horrible. It's just a different format, but I'm going to try it out. So it does take a little longer because Perplexity likes to think about stuff. So let's say here, and look at this. Make it easier, make it harder. You can do that. But let's go with, let's say SIPC, right? We'll just say SIPC. Boom. Correct answer. Now, does it tell me? Next question. See? But the only thing is it won't give you the rest of it or customize with a follow-up. So it won't do extra stuff, but it is working for you. I don't mind Perplexity. I do like Perplexity as an AI, as an LLM, because like if you ask for stuff, they give you links. And look, and you can work all the way down. Like this one's a fun one, but never really do more than one section. Like if it's 2 or 3, fine. But like when you get to these, don't just do one section at a time, right? Just grab that and just work your way through it. Like if it's this, you're probably about as far as you can go. But I think like this one right here, knowledge of this stuff, probably as far as you can go. We do the same thing. Boom. Go over to Gemini. Good. Then just say same rules, right? Boom. Yeah. Boom. Love it. See, it literally works. Okay. It works for all of it. It's a great way. It's a great way to do this. Now remember something. Has AI has some issues, right? So they don't always do stuff right. So you have to make sure that you're looking into it to make sure that it's not hallucinating, double check stuff, don't do numbers. I think their math is sometimes sketchy, so you can do it, but I would really double check the math on stuff like that. You can always, if you have a question that you don't get, you can come on my live on Tuesdays or Thursdays and ask that and say, look, this is the question I got. I don't agree with it. But the other thing that I really like about that, I'm going to reshare this again. I'm going to go back to GPT, I think. Where is it, right? Yeah, back to, well, that's Gemini, but GPT, okay? I'm going to say, you can literally say, can you explain simpler? Boom, and that's all the same, right? Boom, 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 it tells you, and you can say, listen, it does a deep dive. Then you can say, if you're going to rabbit hole, what does the Fed do daily to impact money supply, right? Just anything that comes into your head, boom, it'll just come out, right? Again, you want to double check stuff, but it's kind of like a high level stuff. Again, little nitty gritty details. Like I think it's finally admitting that regular way settlement is T+1, although I've put it into my thing. I've done that. The other thing is there's a thing called the GPT, okay? You can do this one. These are GPTs. You can explore them, right? And I have one called Series 7 Exam Coach. You put in there. Boom. You click search GPTs and it'll take you there and it'll walk you through stuff. Now, the good thing is my GPT has learning modules already uploaded. So it's only using modules that I have. And on that note, Let's look at another thing you can do. If you want to do your questions, say we're going to do our, where are we? This quiz. And you say, oh, maybe do a new one and say, I want to study market makers, right? Now, if you want to make sure that it's only stuff that you want to learn, you create an image, add a file. Let's get into this. I can go to books. And I'll upload the SIE manual. It might take a second to go through, but I do that. It takes a second. And you say, use the PDF I uploaded. Give me 10 bullet points for the SIE exam. Boom. And I just uploaded STC in there because I do like them. They have a book. Boom. Basically, there we go. From the STC, right from STC. It's really good stuff. And there you go. And it can help you out. And you can use the book. And this way you're using the book. You're paying them. The vendors are getting paid. And if you have other questions, come watch my videos, stuff like that. We go from there. That's literally what it is. You could even say, can you find, and maybe it doesn't work, find a YouTube video covering this chapter from the most amazing Ken Finnan. Let's see if we can find it. I don't even know. There you go. Look at that. Right there, baby. Good stuff. And that's an ugly ass face. That is a horrible fucking face. And boom, there we go. That's the way we go, baby. That is it. Guys, if you need any more help, we do tutoring. We do the live Q&A every Tuesday night. Been doing that since 2019. Been doing that. I'm the OG doing this shit. I do it Tuesdays and Thursdays. Tuesdays is FINRA. Thursdays is Nasaa. Let's fucking go, baby. We're on you.
If this speech stirs your heart, show your allegiance, like the video, subscribe to the cause, and together we shall conquer the future.